lately I have received a massive amount of comments on prefab home affordability, but are there any new options that tick that box? Yes, and today I'm going to see one that has never been on the channel. Let's go. Sometimes in order to see something new, you have to go somewhere new. So that's exactly what I did. 18 hours later, I was there. Well, for the very first time ever in my life, I find myself in Oklahoma, near Lake Texoma to be exact. And the reason that I'm here is to check out a prefab home unlike anything that I have ever seen. And I've seen a few of them. This is the Unfold House, a folding prefab home with dimensions of 19 foot 2 wide by 25 feet long for a total footprint of 482 square feet. Now, I am excited about this for a few different reasons. Number one, this is the first of its kind in the country, meaning I'm excited to show you what it's all about. Number two, it arrives in a shipping container and then boom, boom, boom. It unfolds on site. I'm going to show you exactly how that works in a couple minutes. And number three is the price. I think you're going to be surprised. Let's have a look around. Starting at the back of the home, the way they have this set up on this property, you approach the side that has the main entrance right there. And to me, that makes a lot of sense. Obviously, you could have it set up any which way on the property, but I don't know if anything makes more sense than what they've done here. Now, at this point in the video, there has to be someone out there somewhere thinking, how the heck does this fit into one shipping container? And valid, because I was thinking the exact same thing. The front of this home is 13 foot 6. The back is 8 foot 6. And I'm no expert, but last time I checked, a shipping container is about 40 feet long by about 8 high. And at first, the math wasn't mathing until I saw the demonstration that I am going to show you in just a second. All right, this is the money shot of the Unfold House right here. We've got the high ceilings on the inside. You've got the full wall of windows with the sliding glass door, the window up above. And when we get inside, I want you to notice just how spacious that makes 482 square feet feel. Coming around this side, we've got a blank wall, which is a perfect opportunity to talk about the different sections of this home. So there will be two inside the shipping container. One goes to about there, and that is, let's call it the core of the home. It has the bathroom, it has the kitchen, and then up front is more or less just open space, and that plays into the unfolding of the Unfold House. The back, we can see what's coming out of the core section. So we've got two sewer drops, 1, 2. The water is running in right there. You've got the heating and cooling right there, and the electrical on the far side. Window into the kitchen, window into the bathroom. But as you can see, all the services run into that section of the home. I'm going to enter through the sliding glass door. So check out this storm. I hope it's going the other way, but we're going to find out in a few minutes. All right, this is it. Let's check it out. Welcome inside the Unfold House. Make yourself comfortable. Maybe grab a snack because we're about to get technical. Now, I'm hoping from this angle you can really get a sense of just how spacious it feels in here with this ceiling height. But if you can't, I'll just say it is. What's this? Unfolding the Unfold House, take 1,000. All right. Believe it or not, this is a working model of the Unfold House. How you see it right here is how it's going to sit inside the shipping container, okay? Move those. I'm gonna put this like this. So this is the core. That lines up with how we're actually sitting in here. And obviously that folds down. You've got the bathroom, you've got the kitchen. And then this section does something along, okay, I think we're gonna be closer this time. So this all gets craned up, the walls move out, then that would go after. This goes like this, and then, hang on, this might be the one. The roof folds down like so. Ta-da. Let's continue. In my head, that part of the presentation was going to be extremely insightful, but as they say, that's showbiz, baby. I do want to mention, though, as far as the structure goes, they've got 2x6s on the walls, and they're using 2x10s on the roof, and that gives you a 60-pound snow load, but I'm guessing that can be adjusted depending on where it's going. Let's have a look around. Back to my regular program. So as I mentioned, they've got the sliding glass door on the front with the windows up above. I do want to mention as well that the curtains come included, and they do span all the way across the front of the home. Another thing worth noting is that the furniture comes included as well, and somehow it also fits within the shipping container, which I find to be quite impressive. So you've got a king bed right here with the side tables. You've got plugs on either side. Let's just go up a little bit so we can look at the ceiling height. They've got the pot lights in there. They've got the fan right there. And you'll notice these beams right here going across. That is lined up with the hinges that we saw in my demo. On this side of the room, we've got the couch, living space. So they've got a couch along that wall, chair right there, coffee table, and area rug. Let's head down past the front door and into the kitchen. So kind of a cool fridge. I've never seen a fridge quite like this before. We've got 2-door up top, and then double freezer down below. They've got the oven over there. We've got an induction cooktop with 4 burners here. And as I wrap around this side, you will see a dishwasher there. They've got the window in the backsplash, which I like. That looks out to the road, and they do have a shade that comes down right there. Nice wide sink here, and they've got the storage underneath of that. Over here, they've got a bank of pots and pans drawers, and then something you might not have been expecting, a washer dryer combo right here in the kitchen, which is quite handy and something people want to know about in every single home that I tour. Up top, we've got upper cabinets all the way around, and then on either side of the stove, they do have a couple of cabinets and a drawer underneath. Let's get a look back out the front right there. You'll notice right here, a dining space. They've got chairs for 3. Should have put this in, but here we are. And more storage, as well as more counter space, and nice spot for the TV right there. Up above, that is where the heating and cooling enters into the home. And beside the bed over here, they've got a wardrobe, again, which does come included and inside the shipping container. Heading down this way, this is something kind of cool. Watch the toilet seat as we go in. Does that. So we've got the vanity right here that extends all the way down behind the toilet. We got storage underneath there for towels, and the mirror has storage as well. More over here, full-size window, floor to ceiling there, looking out to the backyard. It does have a shade. And then over here is the shower with multiple different shower heads. All right, I think that's pretty much it for the interior of the Unfold house. I think I'll head back outside and we can talk about the pricing. Before I get to that, I am going to take one more swing at the Unfold demo. No, nobody panic. I'm going to leave that to the pros. However, I have had people requesting to see the floor plans on screen. It should be there now. And while you're looking at that, I'll talk about where the Unfold house ships from, because I told you how it ships didn't mention where it's actually built. The Unfold house is built in and ships from China, and the time it takes from order to delivery, I have been told, is around 2 months currently. Okay, there you have it, folks, the Unfold house. Again, we've got dimensions of 19 foot 2 wide by 25 feet long for a total footprint of 482 square feet. It's currently available in 8 states, which I can't remember off the top of my head, so I'll put those down below in the description. And unfortunately, I know a lot of people are watching from there. California currently is not one of those states, but I have been told they're adding it ASAP. What am I forgetting? Oh yeah, pricing. As far as pricing goes, you're starting within the US at $80,000. If you're watching from another country, you're starting at $60,000. That's sans tariff. I think that's it. Yep, that is it for me here at Lake Texoma, or maybe it's Texoma Lake, I can't remember. I hope you enjoyed the tour. This is the Unfold house. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next